In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create document in DocuSign. By the end, you'll have uploaded a document, added the required fields, and sent it for signature using a DocuSign envelope. First, log into DocuSign. On the sign-in page, enter your account details and continue to your dashboard. Wait for the home screen to load before moving on. From the dashboard, click New. This opens the options menu for starting a new workflow. Select Send an envelope. An envelope is simply the container DocuSign uses to hold your document and the people who need to sign it. You'll see the envelope setup screen. Now, click Upload and choose your document. Your file browser opens. Locate the file you want to send, such as a PDF or Word document, select it, and confirm. You should see the file name appear in the document list on the screen. If you selected the wrong file, cancel the picker and choose the correct one. When the correct document is listed and the preview thumbnail appears, you're ready for the next step. Add recipient name and email. In the recipient area, click into the name field and type the recipient's full name. Then enter their email address. Take a moment to confirm the email is spelled correctly so your document reaches the right person. You'll see the recipient added to the envelope ready to receive the document. Click Next. This takes you to the tagging screen where you'll place the fields directly onto the document pages. On the left, you'll see the field tools. Drag signature, date, or text fields onto the document. Click and hold the signature field, then drag it to the exact spot where the signer needs to sign, and release to place it. If your document needs a signing date, drag date. Sign to the appropriate line. For any typed information, like a name, title, or other short entry, drag a text field to the right location. Position each field precisely so it sits on the correct line or box. You can click and drag to fine-tune placement and use the handles on the corners to resize a field so it fits the space neatly. If your document has multiple pages, scroll through and add fields on each page where needed. As you place fields, make sure they're assigned to the intended recipient shown in the recipient selector. With a single recipient, fields are typically assigned automatically, but it's good to glance at the color or recipient label to confirm. Continue placing the signature, date, and any required text fields until everything the signer needs to complete is covered. Take a final moment to review the document on screen. Zoom in if necessary to confirm fields are aligned and not overlapping any text. This quick check helps prevent back and forth later. When you're satisfied with the placement, click Send. DocuSign will immediately prepare and email the envelope to your recipient. Nothing is sent until you click Send, so if you need to make a last adjustment, step back before confirming. After sending, you'll see a confirmation on screen that the envelope has been sent successfully, and your recipient will receive a secure link to open, review, and sign the document. That's it. You've created your document in DocuSign, added the required fields, and sent it out for signature. Your envelope is now in progress and ready for the recipient to complete. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.